Viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today one South Indian special podi we are going to show you. That is called Paruppu Podi. So if you are having hot rice, you can mix with that one with 1 spoon of ghee and check the taste. It will be amazing. No need of any sambar, no need of anything. Only this with pickle will do. Ingredients for dal podi, Paruppu Podi: 1/4 cup of roasted gram, 1/4 cup of tur dal, around 6 to 7 numbers of garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 red chili, salt to taste. Keep the pan in flame. So you have to dry roast all the ingredients. First we have taken tur dal. This is one of the South Indian special. You can have this one with hot rice. Add this one to hot rice, 1 spoon of ghee, mix it well and have it. It will be awesome. I can smell the nice aroma of tur dal. This is the stage we have to remove this one from flame. We're going to add the roasted gram and red chili, black pepper. See, the garlic is optional. If you want, you can add. If you are adding, it will give you a different taste, but it is good. If you are having meals in any South Indian restaurant, vegetarian restaurant, you will get this podi along with the meals. They will keep. It will be very tasty, full of protein. So the roasted gram also, it's light roast is enough. It's finished, so we're going to switch off the flame. Let the mixture to cool. We have added the garlic cloves in this itself, so the hot itself sufficient. We added salt as required. So we will leave for this to cool. The ingredients are cooled now. We are transferring the ingredients to the blender jar to make as a powder. We transfer the entire ingredients. See, it is not a nice powder, it's little bit coarse. So you have to grind to this consistency. We transfer this one to the tray. Let it cool for some time. Dal podi, Paruppu Podi from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.